In this video, we will do a quick, simple explanation of WeFund Prop Firm. This company allows you to pass their challenge with HFT, so we will make a quick review of the rules and conditions present in this prop firm. In this video, we will show only the important things that every trader must pay attention to before he trades. This company has a profit-sharing rate of up to 100%. Withdrawals reach 14 days, which means 14 trading days. After 14 trading days, you can withdraw your profits. Withdrawals take place within 12 hours. This means when you request your withdrawal, the withdrawals arrive within 12 hours, and there is no time limit to pass the test. But if you want to clear your account from us, we will clear your account within 1 hour for free. We provide free account passing services by use our code ALFTRADE25 so that you do not have to work hard on this account. I will pass your account. As soon as the account is passed, you will get a certificate and the live account within 30 minutes. So guys, let's see packages basically. WeFund is offering you one-step HFT. Make sure you only buy one-step HFT. They have 5 types of accounts that start from 10,000 up to 200,000. You can see the pricing. The pricing for 200,000 account is $997. For a 100,000 account is $547. By using the code ALFTRADE25, you will get 25% off. And like this, you can see the pricing further here. If you compare the pricing with other prop firms, then it is very cheap here. So I will definitely recommend it to you. Come check out. The daily loss is 4%. The total loss is 8%. Now let's see what are its rules. It has 2 rules. One is hard breach and soft breach. In soft breach, your payout is a little less, but the account is not breached. The account is not taken from you, but hard breach is that if you do, your account will be breached. Let me explain this in a simple way. When you trade, the system calculates your average lot size based on all your trades. For example, if most of your trades are around 1 standard lot, then your consistency range becomes 0.25 to 2 lots. That means you should not trade smaller than 0.25 lots or larger than 2 lots. If you go outside this range, your payout will be reduced. This is called a soft breach, but your account won't be closed. So, to stay consistent, always keep your lot sizes within this range and maintain the same trading pattern you started with. The second rule, 30% payout, should not be in one trade. WeFund tells you that your payout is to be done in such a way that your 30% should not be from single trade, and also 30% payout should not be in a single profit. You want to request it. For example, your payout is $2,000. If there are 4 trades, suppose you made $550 profit in your first trade, the second trade, $500, the third trade, $450, and the fourth trade, you made $500 profit. The total profit is $2,000. If you take out 30% of $2,000, which is $600. This means you cannot make more than $600 profit from single trade because that is 30% of $2,000. So you cannot have one trade that is more than $600, and you should not have a single profit of $600 in a single trading day. They say 21 days before you withdraw, but if you have problem trades, you can continue to trade before you request a withdrawal. Go ahead and trade just to balance it out. You don't have to pay, request a withdrawal just because it's 21 days, right? If you have payout outside, right? Continue trading to balance it out, and your first payout will be applied after 21 days. After that, you can request it after every 14 days. Okay, the next rule is that overnight trade holding allowed. If you have placed any trade today, then you can hold it till tomorrow. Also, there will be no issue rule. The next rule is that weekend holding is not allowed. If you have opened any trade today on Monday, it is important for you to close it. On Friday night means you have to close all the trades before the market closes. Okay, this is a hard breach. You cannot hold it. If you hold this trade, then your account will be breached. The next rule is that any trade should not be closed before 1 minute. If you have placed any trade, then you should not close it before 1 minute. If you close before 1 minute, your account will not be breached. This is your soft breach. Loss will be cut from the trades made within those 1 minute. Profit will be cut. You will not get that profit, but the account will be saved, okay? The next rule is that you should not open more than 2 layers in a single pair. Meaning if you have put 2 layers of one lot in gold, then you cannot put the third one until you close one. If you use the third one, then your account will be breached. News trading is 100% allowed. The next rule is that account management service is not allowed. Just do not give your funded account to anyone to manage your account. It should not be neither you nor anyone else. If you give it to another person, then the account will be breached. The next rule is that the profit share is your will be 50% in the first payout. You will get 50% of the profit. For example, if yours net profit is $2,000 in the account, then when you apply for withdrawal, you will get $1,000. The next payout will be 70%. Now, if you have generated $2,000 profit, then 70%, it would be like almost $1,400. Okay, now you will get $1,400. The company will take $600. Its profit share in the third payout will be at 80%. The next rule is that the maximum trading capital the trader can manage is 400,000 at a time. You cannot hold more than 400,000 equity at a time when you buy with my coupon code ALFTRADE25 in the description and buy any account from $10,000 to $200,000. I'll personally pass your challenge for you in less than 1 hour, absolutely for free. All you do is send me your MT5 login. After purchase, my Telegram is in the video description.